All right, guys, next we're gonna change oil in the zero turn. Hopefully it's dried up enough to get it mowed. I'm so tired of this rain. I don't know where you guys are from, but man, it seems like we get rain every weekend and it's just getting annoying. First service on this, it's got 20 hours on it. We're gonna dump the oil, change the air filter, probably fuel filter, and yeah, see what else we can get into. So right here, they have this hose with a plug on it, and we can dump the oil right into this pan here. And you just grab a couple crescent wrenches and pop that off. Oil looks nice and clean. Pour another kind of slow. Got this little kit. Hope this is the right filter. It says for Kohler 7000 series, but the air filter is different. The oil filter looks different too. Oh man. Yeah. Filter's wrong too. Oh, that's lovely. Well guys, I decided not to drain the oil out. I started to, then I shut it off. The kit's not the same. So if you go to Trash Supply and you get the 7000 series Kohler, the oil filter is different, fuel filter is different, air filter is different on it. So I'll have to go to the Cub Cadet dealer and get the right one on Tuesday. Like I said, it's only got 20 hours on it, so we're not going to hurt anything by mowing again today with it. But yeah, let's put this over here. We'll grab just some regular 10W40 which I have and just top it off. I drained out ounces, so it's really not going to hurt anything. Let me see what I got, then we'll get ready to mow the lawn. Still really wet, man. A lot of standing water still down in the back part of the lawn. We've had so much rain here. It's crazy, but the work's done. Now we're just getting ready for some fun. I gotta check the wheel bearings. Trailer's loaded up. And yeah, we're gonna head north in the morning to go for the first quick ride. Thanks everyone for watching this video. Hope you're enjoying the content, and I'm hoping to get some footage tomorrow of the ride. All depends. I'm trying to work on some GoPro issues, but yeah. Thanks again for watching. If you like these videos, please hit the like button, subscribe, share with your friends. Have a great day, and happy Memorial Day.